Are you efficiently aesthetic? Let's do a little math for a second here. Check this out. Average dental practice. 10 posteriors a day, roughly. If you're like me, you're kind of lazy. You work 4 days a week. 5 layers per tooth. That's important because I'm counting your adhesive in that layer. So maybe it's only 4 layers plus your adhesive layer. 10 seconds per cure per tooth. That's 96,000 seconds. 27 hours. Now imagine if you don't layer, if you bulk fill with the right bulk fill and the right system, right? Same 10 posteriors per day. Same 102 hours. 3 layers per tooth. 3 seconds per cure, 17,280 seconds. That's roughly 5 hours. So work with me here. It started off 27 hours minus 5. That's 22 hours times, I don't know what you produced. Let's just pretend, right? Maybe it's 5, maybe it's $750, maybe it's $1,000 an hour. But guys, even if it's only 500 bucks an hour, that's 11 grand a year to do the same dentistry you're doing. So are you efficiently aesthetic?